If you're thinking about enrolling in the IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate and want to know exactly what you'll learn, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time, this video breaks it all down. I'll also show you how you can enroll for free using the links in the description so you can explore the course before committing. Welcome to Business Training Media, where we review top-rated online courses, professional certificates, and career-focused training to help you make smarter decisions about your future. Today, we're reviewing the IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate created by IBM, one of the most trusted names in technology and artificial intelligence. This program is designed for beginners and early career professionals who want to build job-ready AI and development skills in a structured, approachable way. More than 208,000 learners have already enrolled, which says a lot about its popularity and credibility. If you want to explore the full syllabus or enroll as you watch, you'll find direct links in the description. This certificate is ideal if you're new to artificial intelligence or programming and want a clear starting point. It's especially helpful if you're interested in roles like AI developer, junior software developer, or automation-focused tech positions. The course is fully online and flexible, making it a good fit if you're balancing work, school, or other responsibilities. If you already have advanced AI experience, some material may feel introductory, but for most learners, it provides a strong foundation. Throughout the program, you'll learn how to build AI-powered applications, work with Python for AI development, and understand how generative AI models are used in real-world scenarios. You'll also gain hands-on experience creating chatbots and AI-driven apps, while learning how these technologies are applied in business and professional environments. These are practical, career-focused skills designed to help you move from learning concepts to actually building things. If this aligns with your goals, you can start learning today through the links in the description. The IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate is delivered completely online in a self-paced format. Most learners finish in about 6 months, but you can move faster or slower depending on your schedule. The course includes video lessons, interactive labs, quizzes, and applied projects that help reinforce what you're learning along the way. What makes this program stand out is the combination of IBM-backed instruction, hands-on projects, and a recognized professional certificate you can add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. It's designed to help you build real, usable skills without requiring a computer science degree, making it a strong option if you want to upskill or transition into AI without committing to a long academic program. With more than 208,000 learners already enrolled, this certificate has strong social proof. Many learners point to the structured lessons and practical approach as key reasons they chose this program, especially those new to AI and software development. You should strongly consider enrolling if you're looking for career-relevant AI skills, flexible and affordable online learning, and a recognized certificate from a trusted global technology company. You can enroll for free using the links in the description and decide if the course is right for you. To get started, click the links below and enroll today on Coursera. You can preview the course, explore the syllabus, and start learning immediately. For more course reviews, professional certificates, and career training guides, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. If this video helped, like it, subscribe for more reviews, and share it with anyone exploring AI careers or online learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next guide.